ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारतीतीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरो
नत्वा
श्रीभारतीतीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये।
पंचकोश विवेक प्रकरणे चतुस्त्रिंशत्तमः श्लोकः 34। सिद्धं ब्रह्मणि सत्यत्वं ज्ञानत्वं तु पुरेरितम्।
सिद्धं ब्रह्मणि सत्यत्वं ज्ञानत्वं तु पुरेरितम्।
स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वात् इत्यादि वचनैः स्फुटम्।
स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वात् इत्यादि वचनैः स्फुटम्।
न व्यापित्वादेशतोऽन्तो न व्यापित्वादेशतोऽन्तो नित्यत्वान्नापि कालतः।
न व्यापित्वादेशतोऽन्तो नित्यत्वान्नापि कालतः।
न वस्तुतोऽपि सर्वात्म्यात् आनन्त्यं ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा।
न वस्तुतोऽपि सर्वात्म्यात् आनन्त्यं ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा।
देशकालान्यवस्तूनां कल्पितत्वाच्च मायया
देशकालान्यवस्तूनां
देशकालान्यवस्तूनां
कल्पितत्वाच्च
कल्पितत्वाच्च
मायया
मायया
न देशादिकृतोऽन्तोऽस्ति ब्रह्माणन्त्यं स्फुटं ततः
न
न
देशादिकृतोऽन्तोऽस्ति
देशादिकृतोऽस्ति ब्रह्मानन्त्यं
ब्रह्मानन्त्यं
स्फुटं
स्फुटं
ततः
ततः
सत्यं ज्ञानमनन्तं यत् ब्रह्म तद्वस्तु तस्य तत्
सत्यं
सत्यं
ज्ञानमनन्तं
ज्ञानमनन्तं
यत्
यत् ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
तद्वस्तु
तद्वस्तु
तस्य
तस्य
तत्
तत्
ईश्वरत्वं च जीवत्वम् उपाधिद्वयकल्पितम्
ईश्वरत्वं
ईश्वरत्वं
च
च
जीवत्वम्
जीवत्वम् उपाधिद्वयकल्पितम्
उपाधिद्वयकल्पितम्
Up to that we have seen. ब्रह्म सत्यम् इत्युक्ते बाधराहित्यम् बाधराहितत्वात् ब्रह्म सत्यम् ब्रह्मणः ज्ञानत्वं पुरा ईरितं पुरा एव उक्तं स्वयमेवानुभूतित्वात् इत्यादि वचनैः पूर्वमेव उक्तं कुत्र उक्तम् अस्मिन् प्रकरणे एव 13तम श्लोकात् आरभ्य 22तम श्लोकपर्यन्तं फ्रॉम 13 to 22nd श्लोक उक्तमेव पूर्वम् उक्त्वा अनन्तरं ब्रह्मणः आनन्त्यम् अनन्तस्य भावः आनन्त्यं ब्रह्मणः अनन्तत्वम् आनन्त्यम् उक्तम् ब्रह्मणः ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्मणि त्रिधा भेदः त्रिविधभेदः नास्ति ब्रह्मणः न तु वस्तुपरिच्छेदः कालतः परिच्छेदः अपि नास्ति ब्रह्मणि देशतः अपि परिच्छेदः नास्ति कथम् उच्यते व्यापितत्वात् व्यापितत्वात् देशतः अन्तः न विद्यते नित्यत्वात् कालतः अपि परिच्छेदः न विद्यते वस्तुतः अपि वस्तुपरिच्छेदः अपि न विद्यते सर्वात्म्यात् is given here too also व्यापित्वात् देशतः अन्तः न विद्यते हेतु पंचमी नित्यत्वात् कालतः न अपि कालतः अपि परिच्छेदः कालतः कालेन कालदृष्ट्या वस्तुतः in terms of objects देश काल वस्तु अपरिच्छिन्नं ब्रह्म इति सर्वात्म्याद् वस्तुतः अपि परिच्छेदः नास्ति अतः ब्रह्मणि आनन्त्यं त्रिधा भवति therefore Brahma is sarvavyapi it is nityam and it is sarvatma having said then desha kala anya vastunam Maya kalpitatvat it is kalpita by Maya upadhi kalpitam Maya upadhi kalpitatvat न देशादिकृतः अन्तः अस्ति अतः ब्रह्मणः अनन्त्यं स्फुटम् एव देशकाल अन्यवस्तूनां मायया कल्पितत्वात् ब्रह्मणि देशतः कालतः अन्य वस्तुतः परिच्छेदः नास्ति परिच्छेदः कल्पितं कल्पितत्वात् परिच्छेदः न वास्तविकः कल्पितपरिच्छेदः the divisions the Veda are superimposed. That is why it is Vyavaharika Satyam, empirical reality. Empirical reality, Vyavaharika Satyam doesn't enjoy Paramarthika Satyatvam. That's why we say Mithya. Because Maya Kalpitatvat. Desha is Mithya. Deshaha Mithya. Kalaha api Mithya. Vastu api Mithya. Objects all are Kalpitam. Maya Kalpitam. Limitations caused by Desha, Kala, Vastu all are Kalpitam. Ataha Kalpitatvat. Therefore, Mithya Bhedaha. Ityukte na Bhedaha. Vastavikataya Bhedaha Nasti Brahmani. Therefore, Deshadikritaha Antaha Nasti. Desha Adipadat. Deshataha Kalataha Vastutaha Antaha limitations. Antaha ityukte limitations. Vedaha Parichinnatvam Nasti. And Antyatvam. That's why Anantyam. Therefore, Brahmanaha Anantyam Sputam Eva. It's very clear. If Paricheda is there, then Brahma is Sagunam Brahma. If the Paricheda is understood as Mithya, then Brahma is Nirgunam. Maya Upadina Brahma Sagunam Bhavati. Therefore, Saguna Brahma. Ishvaraha iti Uchyate Sagunam Brahma. Iti Uktam. We have seen this also. Then Brahma is Satyam Jnanam Anantam iti Uktam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam yat Tat Brahma Tadeva Vastu Tasya Tat Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Tat Vastu Tasya Brahmanaha Ishvaratvam Jivatvam Upadi Kalpitam Upadina Kalpitaha Ishvaratvam Jivatvam Cha. Same Brahma appears as Jiva by Upadi. What Upadi? Nikrishta Upadi, Avidya Upadi. Avidya Upadi Kalpitam, Kalpitaha, Kalpitam Jivatvam. Utkrishta Upadi, Maya Upadi Kalpitam Ishvaratvam. Upadi Kalpitatvat, Mithya Eva. So, Jivatvam, Ishvaratvam, Upadi Kalpitam. Is it Satyam? Is it Paramarthika Satyam? No. Ishvara is Maya Upadi. Without Maya Upadi, how can Ishvara be Sarvashaktiman, Sarvajnaha? Cannot be. Upadi is there, therefore we say Ishvara is Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman. Upadi is there, therefore Jiva becomes Alpajnaha, Alpashaktiman. Vedaha, the limitations caused by Upadi. Minus Upadi. Minus Upadi is when Upadi is understood as Mithya. Then Ishvara is Brahma. Jiva is also Brahma. There is no difference. So therefore, Upadi Kalpitam. That's what we saw in the last class. Up to this we saw. One is Utkrishta Upadi, another one is Krishta Upadi. So Upadi Dvayera Kalpitam, Brahmani Kalpitam, Jivattam, Ishvarattam. That is Vyavaharika. In Vyavaharika, it is Satyam. It is Vyavaharika Satyam. Ishvarattam, Jivattam. That is due to Upadi. There seems to be a Veda, a seemingly, apparent division in Brahma. Therefore, Ishvaratvam, Jivatvam. From the standpoint of Brahma, Brahma is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. there is a division. There is no division. From the Vyavaharika standpoint alone, there is Jivaha, there is Ishvaraha, Jagat. Brahma is Satyam Jnanam Anantam. Tadvastu, that is the reality. Tasya Brahmanaha Jivatvam Ishvaratvam Upadidvaya Kalpitam. Therefore, only we say Ekameva Dvitiyam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Ekam Eva Advitiyam Iti. Having said that, now the Upadis are talked about. I think we have read the Tika also. Now the next shloka number 38. Now, having said Upadi Kalpitam, then what is that Upadi? That is talked about. Let us read. Shaktirastyaishvari kachit sarvavastu niyamika. Anandamayamaravya gudha sarveshu vastushu.
Anandamayamarabhya gudha sarveshu vastushu.
Shaktihi asti, that is Sandhi. Shaktihi asti Aishwari. Ishwari, Aishwari, Tadita. Ishvara, from that we get Ishwari, E Pratyaya, but here it is Tadita, Aishwari. Ishvara plus An is a Tadita. Utsarga, so Pratyaya is An. So Adi Vriddhi, E will become I, Aishvara, An. SCA teacher will apply Aishvara, then Ni Pratyaya, Srilinge, Lakshayam, Ni, then you get Aishwari. So Shaktihi asti, Aishwari Shaktihi asti. Ishvarasya Shaktihi uchyate. Aishwari iti. So Shaktihi is Maya. Maya Shaktihi Ishvarasya Upadihi. Sayeva Aishwari iti uchyate. So Ishvara Upadi is taken first, and that is explained. So Kachit Shakti asti. Some Shakti is there. Some Shakti is there. Kachit Shakti asti, which is the Upadi of Ishvara. Ishvarasya Shakti Upadi. That is in the form of Shakti power. Shakti is called Maya. That is Prakriti. Aishwari Shakti, Ishvarasya, or Aishwarasya, Yam Shakti, Aishwarasya Yam Shakti, Aishwari. Kachit Shakti asti. Why Kachit Shakti? Some Shakti is there. Because it is Anirvachaniya Shakti. The Shakti cannot be categorized as Asti va Nasti va iti. It is not Asat. It is not Sat also. If it is Sat, na Badhyeta. Asat, na Varteta. So therefore, it is there or it is not there, we cannot say. So Ishvarasya, Ishvaraha, Ishvarasya, Upadihi, Shaktihi, Shaktihi, Maya, Shaktihi. Therefore, Chetanatvat Ishvaraha, Ishvaraha Sarva Vastunam Padarthanam Niyamakaha, but Ishvara alone is Sagunam, Nirgunam Brahma. That alone cannot enjoy the status of being Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman. Therefore, Ishvarasya, that Niyamaka Shakti is attributed to Maya. Therefore, it says Sarva Vastu Niyamika. Ishvaraha Niyamakaha. How does Ishvara get that Niyamakatvam? Ishvarasya idam Niyamakatvam tu Mayaya eva prayuktam. That is why sarva vastu yam maya shakti sarva vastu niyamika. Ishvara enjoy the status of being Niyamaka because of the Shakti, Maya Shakti. That's why he says Niyamika, Yam Shakti, Sarva Vastu Niyamika. So Ishvarasya Niyamakatvam due to Maya. Therefore, Maya is Sarva Vastu Niyamika. So Niyamika, the word is derived from Niya, Nipurvaka Yam Dhatu. Yam Parame. Yam, how does it become Yami? Nich, causative. Yami. Then Ka. Ka is referring to the null, Kartari null, null pratyaya. So Nipurvaka Yam plus Nich plus null. Niyamakaha. Then we know one the sutra. By Shikshaka become Shikshika, Adhyapaka become Adhyapika, same way Niyamaka become Niyamika. You remember 7340 or something. Kapratyat Purvasya Akarasya Ikaradeshaha Niyamika. We get. So therefore, Yam Shakti Sarvavastu Niyamika. Sarvavastu Niyamika Shakti. All Vastu, all objects, everything, the entire Jagat. Sarvavastu means the entire Jagat. It's controlled by this Shakti. The Shakti controls the entire Jagat. That is why we say order is there. The order is Ishvara. The order is Ishvara, that is Sagunam Brahma. Ishvara is the Niyamaka. That is because Shakti is the Niyamika. Therefore, because of which power, everything functions in an orderly way. There is a Niyatihi, there is a Niyama Avastha. So therefore, everything functions in an orderly fashion. The order is not violated. Who maintains it? Aishwari Shakti. Aishwari Shakti. When Niyati is not there, what will happen? When order is not there, even science is not possible. Scientific, there cannot be science also because there is no order. So to say that if one person may have lungs, other person may not have lungs, need not have, maybe breathe through some other thing because there is no order. Because order is there for respiration, lungs is there in all the beings in some way, some form. Every human being has lungs. The function of one lung, when it is understood, the function of all the lungs are understood. We don't have to examine every lungs. That's the order. So only with respect to all the organs, only with respect to the entire Srishti, every facts of science. Therefore, how is it possible? Because of the Shakti. Sarvavastu Niyamika Shakti. So that is Shakti Ishwarasya. And it is Guda. It is Guda Shakti. It is Guda, it is hidden. Guda is Gugdhatu. Guda Shakti. Niguda Vartate. Why? Because the Shakti can be inferred only from the Karya, from the effect. Karyanumeya Shakti. That is why it is Guda. How do you know the person has this Shakti, the muscle power? Only when he lifts the weight, you know that the person has Shakti. Only when there is manifestation of the Shakti, then only we know the person has this power. Similarly, here also, Jagat is a Karya. From the Karya, we infer the Shakti must be there. Therefore, Karyanumeya Yam Shakti Sakshakti Trigunatmika. There's three gunas. From the Karya, we infer the Shakti. It is not Pratyaksham. Sarveshu Vastushu, it is Guda Bhavati. It is invisible. Guda Anandamaya Arabhya. Anandamaya Arabhya. Anandamaya Arabhya ityukte Anandamaya Koshat Arabhya. Starting from Anandamaya Kosha up to the entire Jagat, to the galaxy which is far away. Sarveshu vastushu yam sarvavastu niyamika shaktihi aishwari shaktihi guda bhavati. That is the Shakti. Devi Yesha Gunamayi Mamaya Duratyaya. Bhagavan says in Gita. It is Gunamayi. Devi Yesha Gunamayi. Therefore, because it is Pratyakshena Nadrishyate Shaktihi, it is Sukshma, it can be inferred only from the Karya. Therefore, Anandamaya Tarabhya Sarveshu Vastushu Yam Shaktihi Guda Vartate Sarvavastu Niyamika Aishwari Shaktihi Guda Vartate iti. Iti Acharya says it can be only be inferred from the Karya. Therefore, Shaktihi Astiva Nastiva Kachit Shaktihi, because there is an order, therefore we have to accept Shakti is there. Then Tika. Kim tad upadidvayam iti akankshayam tadvayam kramena didarsha ishuhu adau ishvara upadibhutam shaktim nirupayati. What is this two upadi? That upadi has to be explained, therefore with the akanksha. Tadubayam, both the upadis. Kramena didarshayishu. Didarshayishu is drishtatu. Didarshayishu, referring to the person who has the desire to show. Drishtatu becomes didarshayishu. Drishtatu will become didarshayishu. Drishtatu, Sananta we have seen. So it becomes darshi, nijanta. Drish to see. So in order to see, in order to show. Okay, not drashtam, darshayitum icha, causative. Darshayitum icha, didarshayisha, then ichuhu. Darshayitum ichuhu, didarshayishu. Who is that author? Vidyaranya Munihi. He wants to show. Therefore, Adav in the beginning, Ishvara Upadi Bhutam Shaktim Nirupayati. Ishvarasya, the Upadi in the form of Shakti, Maya Shakti, that the author Nirupayati establishes first. Shakti hi iti. Aishwari, Ishvara Upaditaya, Ishvara Sambandhini, Kachit. Ishvara Upaditaya, the status of being the Upadi of Ishvara, Taya, by that, Tritiya Bhakti. Ishvara Sambandhini, connected to Ishvara. There is some Shakti, Kachit Shakti. Is it there or not? Sat Asatvadibihi Rupaihi. Sat Asatvadibi Rupaihi. Rori. Rori is applied. It is Sat or Asat. Asatvadibi Rupaihi. Nirbhaktam Ashakya cannot be said categorically. Therefore, Anirvachaniyam. Anirvachaniya Shakti. Because it is Mithya. Therefore, Anirvachaniya. Nirbhaktam. Bhaktam Nashakya. Sarvavastu Niyamika. It is the Niyamaka. Niyamika. It is the one which controls. Niyamaka. All the Vastu, everything. Sarvesham Antaryami Brahmanoktanam. Sarvesham Antaryami Brahman referring to Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Antaryami Brahmanam. Tatra Uktanam. So Prithvyadinam Niyamya Vastunam Niyamana Kartri Shakti Asti Eva. Kachit Shakti Asti. Prithvi, etc. All the Panchabhuta, starting from Tanmatra, Panchabhuta. There is a Niyamanam, there is an order. Niyamya Vastunam. Every Vastu is under some order, under regulation, control. Therefore, from that we can infer Niyamana Kartri must be the Niyamana Kartri, Kachit Shakti Asti Eva. Sa Kutra Drishtati Kutahava Naupalabdeti Ashankyaha Anandeti. Can you hear me? Is my voice clear? Internet is not stable.
Yes, Ji.
Is there any
Yes,
drag or
yeah.
something? Let me know.
A little bit
Okay.
here and there,
Yeah,
but
some
we
drag
could
is there.
follow.
Yeah, that will become all right because I'm using this Airtel hotspot. Some drag, but it will be all right. That Shakti kutra tashtati, where is it? And kutaha, kutrapi na upalabhyate, nowhere it is obtained, iti, if you ask. Yashink, if it is doubted, then anandeti. Anandeti ityukte anandamayadishu brahmanda teshu, starting from anandamaya up to this brahmanda teshu sarveshu vastushu guda vartate. It is vartate, guda vartate. It is it is hidden. It is hidden means it is there. It can be only be inferred. Guda vartate. Gudaha, gugdatu. Gugdatu, then how you get guda ta pratyaya. Gug means samvarne. So it is not, it can be, cannot be, it is not pratyaksha vishaya. Therefore it has to be inferred. That's why guda vartate. From the karya we infer. So I said karyanameya yam shakti. Therefore guda vartate na upalabhyate. For what? Pratyaksha. For pratyakshena, pratyaksha pramanena na upalabhyate. It's not pratyaksha. It is to be inferred. Anumana. Anumanena upalabhyate na to pratyaksha pramanena iti. Then, having said this, then if the Shakti is not there, yadi yam niyamika shaktihi na vartate, kim bhavati, there will be complete chaos, complete disorderliness. That the author points out in the next shloka. Let us read. Vastu dharma niyam yeran shaktya naiva yada tada.
वस्तुधर्मानियं येरन् शक्त्या
Shakya
नैव यदा
yada
तदा
tada.
Anyonya dharma sankaryat viplabeta jagat khalu.
Anyonya dharma
अन्योन्यधर्मा
sankarya
साङ्कर्या
Viplabeta jagat
viplabeta
विप्लवेत
khalu.
jagat
जगत्
khalu.
खलु
Yada tada, yada tada is that. So yada is yada vastu dharmaha shaktya na niyam yeran, which is ling. Niyam yeran. If the shakti is not there, therefore vastu dharmaha ityukte vastunam prativyadinam dharmaha. यथा पृथिव्याः काठिन्यत्व धर्मः अस्ति तद्वत् जलस्य शीतत्व धर्म अस्ति धर्मः दट इज धर्म वस्तु धर्माः मायाशक्तेः अभावे जगतः नियमनं भवति वा न भवति तदेव उक्तं वस्तुधर्माः पृथिव्यादीनां वस्तुधर्माः यदि शक्त्या न नियम्येरन्. So yada is there, yada to be can convert as yadi. Because it's not when and where, then tada. But Tikakara will say, yada can be, Tikakara is not said, but we can convert. Yada can be yadi tarki. So yada is equal to yadi. So in yadi, this niyamikaya shaktya vastu dharmaha na niyam yeran, maya shaktya. Tari kim bhavati अन्योन्य वस्तु सांकर्यात्. Sankarasya bhavaha sankaryam. Sankaro narakayaiva. In Gita first chapter, confusion. That is Sankara, not Shankara. Sankara is confusion. Sankarasya bhavaha sankaryam. Tasmat sankaryat anyone dharmaha. Anyonya dharma sankaryam. Not dharma sankaryam. I think it is a typo, mistake. Anyonya dharma sankarya, not dharma. Otherwise, anyonya dharmaha, that also we cannot take, because anyonya dharma sankarya should be a compound. So, anyonya dharmanam sankaryam, anyonya dharma sankaryam, tasmad anyonya dharma sankaryat. That's how it should be taken. Maybe it's a mistake. Anyonya dharma sankaryat, not dharma sankaryat, not asankaryat. Sankaryam, confusion. Anyonya dharma is paraspara dharma. Parasparam dharmanam. Sankaryam is mixture, mixing up. So, if vastu dharma, vastunaha dharmaha, vastu dharmaha, the essential, the nature of objects, like Prithvi has got Katinyattvam, similarly Agni has got Rupatvam, Varnatvam. So, Prithvi, Agni, then Vayu, Sparsha. Vayu has got Sparsha Gunakaha, Vayu. So each one has got one property, and these properties are inherited by the other elements. Similarly, extending to all the Bhautika Vishaya and Bhautika Prapancha, what will happen? Yadi Shaktya na niyam yeran, when it is not controlled by Shakti, there will be Anyonya Dharma Sankaryam. Therefore, Jagat Viplaveta, there will be Viplaveta means love meant to jump, to float, but here that is not floating. Viplaveta means there will be chaos. Viplaveta. Viplaveta, Jagat, Viplaveta, Prapnya. There will be confusion. There will be mixture of all these dharma, and therefore there will be chaos in this world. If controller, if Niyamika is not there, Jagat Kalu Viplaveta. In Taittiriya Upanishad, it is Vishasmadvataf Pavate Vishedeti Suryaha. Suryaha Bishat, out of fear, Surya, not fear. Fear means that the Niyamika Shakti is present. That is a Niyama, Niyatihi, order. Therefore, Surya rises and wind blows. Vishat Vatah Pavate. So everything happens because of this Shakti, functions in an orderly manner. Because that implies there must be a Niyamika, the Niyamaka must be endowed with this Shakti, Niyamika Shakti. Therefore, Niyamaka, we can infer, that's why we say order. Otherwise, what will happen? There will be complete orderliness, lawlessness, no loss. Therefore, Shakti, Ishvarasya, Upadhi Bhuta, Shakti has to be there. Yadi Nasti, Sa Shakti, there will be Anyoni Dharma Sankaryam. Anyoni Dharma Sankaryat Jagat Viplavate Kalu iti. Jagat Viplavate Kalu. There will be Viplavate. Yadi evam Shaktya Niyamanam na kriyate. Targi Kimbavati Dharmanam Sankaryam. Some Dharmanam, Paraspara Dharmanam Mishranam Bhavati. Sankaryam Bhavati. Then what will happen? Then Jagat, the Prithvi will not have Katinyatvam. Prithvi will have some other property. And Jalam may enjoy Gandha Guna. All these things may happen. So there will be the confusion. Therefore, Vyavaharaha Niyatarupena na bhavati. Now Vyavaharaha Niyatarupena bhavati. Kim Karanam. This Shakti is the Karanam. Therefore, Vyatireka Mukhena Acharya, here Acharyana Uttamatra, this Shakti is important. Without the Shakti, there will be complete disorder. Order implies the Shakti. Minus this order, how the society will be without order. Similarly, the Jagat functions in an order. Order of karma, order of dharma, order of the karma pala. Otherwise, what will happen? You will do something and the pala will go to someone. You will do putra kameshti again, somebody will get son. If there is no Shakti, Dhyamika Shakti, you will work and somebody will earn money. So, you will teach and somebody will learn, not the students will learn. Or there will be complete disorderliness. Thank God this Shakti is there. That is why Shakti is important. Everything functions in an order. Now, Tika. Niyamena anulapya nanayaha tasyaha, that is Shaktiyaha, Shashti Bhakti. Asat evam kim nasyat iti ashankya. Why can't this Shakti be Asat, if you ask? Then Jagan Niyamana Anyata Anupapatya. Anyata Anupapatya, the Jagat Niyamanam, not possible to something. Therefore, Sa Shakti Avashyam Abhyu Petavya iti aha. Therefore, that Shakti has to be definitely should be accepted. Vastu Dharma iti. Iti Vastunam Pratavyadinam Katinya Dravatvadeyaha Yada Shaktya na Vyavasthapyante. Iti na Vyavasthapyante Vipurvaka Avapurvaka Stadatu Stapi Stapyante. Not Vyavastha is not a noun. Vyavasthapyante, it is a Kriya Padam. Avapurvaka Stadaptu plus nich plus causative. Stapyate Stapyante. Vyavasthapyante Shaktya na Vyavasthapyante. By the Shakti, if it is Vyavasthapyante is Niyamiran. Acharya gives the equivalent word, Vyavasthapyante. Iti Shaktya na Vyavasthapyante Vastu Dharmaha, then what will happen? Desham Dharmanam Sankaryat, mixture, because of the mixing up of these dharmas, Mishranena, Sankaryat is equal to Mishranena, mixing. Ekatra Vastanat, one will have two dharmas. The first is Akasha. Akasha will enjoy, not sound, sound is sound, other dharma also it will enjoy. Then problem. Ekatra Vastanat, therefore Jagat Viplaveta, there will be Viplavanam of the Jagat. That is, what is Viplavanam? Anyata Vivahar Vishayatam Prapniyat Ityartaha. There will be complete disorder, chaos. No order. Aniyata Vivahara Vishayatam, the status of being Vishaya, Vivahara Vishaya, not under in an orderly fashion. Prapniya, that is, will be obtained, therefore. Kalu iti prasiddham dyotagati. Kalu iti prasiddhyarte kalu iti. So therefore this Shakti is important. So therefore this Shakti is, then how the Shakti has entered Ishvara. So the further author says further, he talks about further about this Shakti. That is, this Shakti, is it Chetanam or Achetanam? It cannot be Chetana. Ishvara is Chetana. What about the Shakti? It is Achetana. The Achetana Shakti, then how does it gain Chetanatvam? Kutaha Chetanatvam Apanna? Then that is said here. Let us read shloka number 40. Chichaya Veshata Shaktihi Chetaneva Vibhati Sa.
Chichaya Veshata Shaktihi
Chetaneva Vibhati Sa.
Tashaktyupadi Sanyogat Brahmaiveshvaratam Vrajet.
Tatshaktyupadi Sanyogat Brahmaiveshvaratam Prajet.
Sa referring to the Shakti. Sa Shaktihi Vibhati. सा शक्तिः विभाति प्रतीयते appears चिच्छायावेशतः चेतना इव चेतनेव सा शक्तिः विभाति चिच्छायावेशतः that is a हेतु पंचमी चिच्छायावेश आवेश आवेश is आवेश प्रवेश आवेश is प्रवेश not आवेश not Tamil आवेश आवेश is प्रवेश चिच्छाया प्रवेशनात् that is चिच्छाया प्रवेश चित् is चैतन्यम चितः छाया छाया is shade image. What is chichaya? Chit abhasa, reflection of the chit in the upadhi is called chichaya. Reflection of chetana, the chaitanyam in the maya upadhi chichaya, like the reflection of chaitanyam in the sharira upadhi. Therefore shariram enjoys sentiency. Shariram is chetanam or achetanam. It is achetanam only. Chetanavati vibhati. Chetaneva vibhati shariram. Chetaneva vibhati shariram because of Chidabhasa. Chit is Chaitanyam. Sadabhavati. What about this achetana sharira? Because of Chidabhasa, it's a reflection of Chaitanyam in the Antakaranam, in the Upadhi. Therefore, it is Chetaneva vibhati. Tadvat, same way. Chichaya veshataha chichaya praveshat. That is the Eto Panchami, Tasal Pratyaya. Then this Shaktihi, Sa Shaktihi, Chetaneva Bhati. Sa Shaktihi, Chichaya Veshataha, Chetana Iva Vibhati. Then Tat Shakti Upadhi Sanyogat, Brahma Eva Ishvaratam Rajet. Simple, we can easily understand. Because of Tat Shakti. Shashchoti, Tat Shakti. Tat Shakti, Tasya Shaktihi. Kasya Shaktihi. Tat Shakti Upadhi Sanyogat. Tat Shakti Upadhi Sanyog. Shakti ke Upadhi, Shakti Upadhi. Then Tasya Sanyogaha, Tat Sanyogaha, Upadhi Sanyogaha. So, Tat Shakti Upadhi Sanyogat. Tat referring to Ishvara. Tasya Shaktihi, Tat Shaktihi. And that is Upadhi. Tat Shaktihi Upadhihi, Ishvarasya. Tadeva Shaktihi Upadhihi. That Ad Shaktehe Upadhihi, we can say. In fact, Tikakara himself, I think, explains the Vigrahakya later. Tat Shakti Upadhi, Tat Shakti Upadhi, Upadhihi, Tat Shakti Upadhi, Dege Sanyogaha, Upadhi Sanyogat, Ishvaratam Rajet. Because of the association with that Upadhi, and Upadhi is that Shakti, Maya Shaktihi, that is Ishvara Shaktihi, Tasya Shaktihi. Therefore, Ishvaratam Rajet, Ishvaratam Rajet means Prapniyat Ityartaha. Therefore, Ishvaratam Rajet, Ishvaratam, that Sarvanyadi, Sarvangitvadi, Dharma, that the Sambandham, Prapniyat Rajet iti. Therefore, the Shakti is now, question comes, is Jada or Chetana? The Shakti appears as Chetana means what? It is Jada only. Chetana iva Chetaneva, Gunasandhi. Chetaneva vibhati, Sa Shaktihi, appears as intelligent. Chetana iva vibhati, pratiyate, due to what? Chichaya veshataha. Chitahajaya chichaya, pratibimba chaitanyam, of chit. That's what chichaya is. Avasa. Abha, pratibimba chaitanyam, avasa, pratibimba. Avesha is entry. Aveshataha, praveshataha, due to entry of Chidabhasa, Chit Pratibimba. Due to reflection of Chit, Chaitanya, Maya, that Yam Shakti appears intelligent Chetana, Iva. Because the Chetanatvam can be there only in sentient beings, conscient beings. It can be in the inert beings. Because of Pratibimba, as the body, because of Pratibimba, this Pratibimba Chaitanyam, the body appears, the Jada appears as so conscious. Similarly, Maya also shines, appears, vibhati, intelligent. Therefore, this Shakti, the Maya Shakti, which is Maya Vibhati, Chetaneva Vibhati. So, Chichaya Veshataha, that is the reason. Therefore, there is a apparent mixture of Chit and Maya. That's what Chit Jada Granthi. In the case of Jiva, we say Chit Jada Granthi. In the case of Ishvara, also same thing, Chit Jada, but there is no, Ishvara is not overpowered by Maya. He is a Mayavi. And that is Sanyoga is there. Granthi is there. But this Granthi, this Sanyoga doesn't, because of Sanyoga, Ishvara is not overruled by Maya. In the case of Jiva, of course, Maya overrules. Now, due to Sanyoga, Upadi Sanyoga, Ishvaratam Rajet. Because of this Sanyoga, therefore Brahma gains the status of being the Ishvara. Brahma appears, Brahma takes the role of Ishvara due to Maya. The same Brahma alone is called Ishvara. Brahma eva Ishvaratam Rajet. Vyaharika Drishtya, what happens? With Maya Shakti, Brahma appears as Ishvara. That is why we accept Ishvara. Jiva Vitiriktaha, Ishvaraha. In Vyavahara we accept. Vyavahara Drishtya. It is Vyavaharika Satyam it is. Ishvaraha Asti eva. That is why we cannot dismiss Ishvara in Vyavahara. Jiva Vitiriktaha, Ishvaraha Asti. Jivaha Asti, Ishvaraha Asti. In fact, Vyasacharya in the Brahma Sutra established this. Karma Pradata, Ishvara is there. Ishvara has to be accepted in Vyavahara. Without Ishvara, then how this Karma Palava comes? Karma Pradata, Ishvara Asti eva. Therefore, Vidyaranya Muni here he presents Sopadika Swarupam of Brahma. Sopadika means with the Upadi. Upadina Sahitam. The Brahma appears as Ishvara due to this Upadi, Mithya Upadi. Mithya Upadi is Maya Upadi. Sanyogat. Upadi is real or it is real or Mithya. It can't be real. It is Mithya. If it is real, then problem. Then it becomes Sankhya philosophy. Upadi is Mithya. This Maya Upadi is Mithya. Therefore, Mithya Upadi Sambandha, Sanyogat. Ishvara is, now comes to Vyavahara. Ishvara is now very much in Vyavahara. So therefore, you cannot dismiss Ishvara in Vyavahara. The same Brahma, Ishvaratam, the status of being Ishvara, Brajet, Prapnuyat. Ishvaratam, Brajet. Therefore, Maya is, it's very clear, it is Achetana Eva. So, Sa Maya, Brahmanaha Upadihi. Tasyam Mayayam, this Shaktihi, this Chidabhasa, Chidabhasaha, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, Ayati, Tena, Maya Chaitanyavati iva bhati, pratibhati, pratiyate, Chetana iva bhati. And this Maya is, we say, Niyamika iti, enjoy the status of being the Niyamika, Niyamakatvam. Therefore, Maya yaha Niyamakatvam, because of Chichakti, Praveshat, Vijyate eva. Brahma is Nirdharmakam. Nirgunam Brahma, when we say, what dharma it has? No dharma, that's a Nirgunam Brahma. Then Sarvajñatvari Dharmaha Brahmani Vartate va na Vartate. But in Saguna Brahma it is because of Maya Sambandha, Sayogat, Tasmin Brahmani, Sarvajñatvam, Sarveshaktimatvam ityadi Dharmaha Agachanti. Tadeva Ishvaraha iti uchyate Brahma, Ishvaraha iti Maya Upadina. Therefore, Ishvaratam Brajet, Ishvaratam or Ishvaratvam, Prapniyat. Brahma Ishvaratam Prapniyat. That's what it said, Brahma Ishvaratam Prapniyat. Notika. Nanu, Jadayaha Asyaha. Because previously, this Niyamika is said, Therefore, the question comes: it is Brahma. The Maya is Chetana or Achetana. Therefore, Jagat Niyamakatvam na yujyate iti ashankya aha. If this Manu Jadayaha Asyaha, the Maya Shakti is Jada, then how can we how can enjoy the status of being the Niyamaka, the regulator of the Jagat? Jagataha Niyamakatvam, Jagan Niyamakatvam, Katam Yujyate Asyaha, Jadayaha, Mayayaha, iti ashankya. If this doubt is asked, then for that answer is Chichaye iti, Chichaya iti. Sa Shakti Chichaya Veshataha. Chichaya is equal to Tikakara Chidabhasa Praveshat. Chit Abhasa. Abhasa means Bas, Ba Purvaka, Bas Dhatu. Bas is shine, but it is Abhasa, resemblance. It is reflection. Praveshat. Because this of the entry of the Chit into the Maya. Therefore, this Achetana Maya, Chetana Iva, Chetanatvam Apanna Iva, Vibhati, Pratiyate, appears. Ataha Asyaha Niyamakatvam Gatate Ityartaha. Therefore, Maya enjoys status of being the Niyamaka is valid only because of Chichaya Aveshataha. Astu Prastute Kim Ayatamiti Yaha Tatchaktihi iti. Okay, how does it come? That further says Tatchaktihi. Sacha Aso Shaktihi Shaiti Karmadarya. That Tatchaktihi, that compound is a Tatchakti, Tatchakti Upadi Sanyoga. Tikakara themselves gives a with Sacha Aso Shaktihi, Tatchaktihi, Karmadarya. Sa eva Upadihi. Therefore, Sa eva Upadihi, Tatchakti Upadihi. Kena Upadina Sanyoga, Sambandaha, Upadi Sanyoga, Tatchakti Upadi Sanyoga. Tasmat. Therefore, Tatchakti Upadi Sanyogat. Yoga is Sambandha. Tasmat Brahma eva it Sat Satyadi Lakshanam Ishvaratam. Brahma alone gains status. This Ishvaratam, Sarvagyati Dharma Yogitam, Rajet Prapniyat. Therefore, Brahma gains this Ishvaratam Prapniyat. Rajet is Prapniyat. Now, so therefore, this Maya Shakti appears to be Chetana because of Chichaya Pravesha. Now, what about Jiva? Okay, we talked about Ishvara Upadi. What about Jiva Upadi? That he says, the next shloka. Koshopadi Vivakshayam Yati Brahmaiva Jivatam.
कोशोपाधि विवक्षाय याति
कोशोपाधिविवक्षायां
ब्रह्मैव
याति
जीवताम्
ब्रह्मैव जीवताम्
Pita Pitamahaschekaf Putra Putrau Yatha Prati.
पिता
पिता
पितामहश्चैकः
पितामहश्चैकः
पुत्रपौत्रो यथा प्रति
पुत्रपौत्रो यथा प्रति.
Nestle says with the example. Kosha Upadi Vivakshayam Tad Brahma, you can easily from the Anvaya. Tad Brahma Jivatam Yati. Brahma Yeva Jivatam Yati Gachati Prapnoti Ityartaha. That is the Dashtanta. Drishtanta Acharya gives here an example. What is the Drishtanta? Yata Ekaha Putra Pautrau Prati Pita Cha Pitamagaha. The first line talks about Jivatvam. The second line, Drishtanta. So, Jiva Upadi is Vyashti Upadi. Jiva Upadi is Vyashti Upadi. Maya consists of two Shakti. We know already, we have seen Vikshepa Shakti and Avarana Shakti. Avarana cannot cover Ishvara Vikshepa Shakti is vibhuti of Ishvara. That is why Maya is under Ishvara. Maya tu prakritim vidya, Mayinam tu Maheshwara. So Maya cannot overrule Ishvara. But what about Jiva? Maya as a power of the projection and power to project and to veil. This Maya Shakti has no power to veil Ishvara. But this Avarana Shakti of Maya has a capacity to cover the individual Upadhi, that is Jiva. Therefore, he says, Kosha Upadhi Vakshayam. Kosha is Panchakosha. The same Brahma when reflected in individual Upadhi, Kosha, Panchakosha, that becomes Jivaha, Jivatam Yati. Due to the Avarana Shakti, the Maya, this Jiva fails to recognize Brahma. So therefore, the same Brahma, like in the case of Ishvara, Brahma Ishvaratam Yati, Tadavat Brahma Jivatam Yati. Chaitanyam reflected in the Panchakosha Upadhi, because of the Avarana Shakti, Jiva cannot recognize itself to be Brahma, associated with, identified with Upadhi. That's why we say Avidya Upadhi, takes himself to be a limited Jivaha. The same Chaitanyam, Ishvatam Yati and Jivatam Yati. How? Ashakara gives an example. Sorry, Vijnanamani gives an example. Brahma Eva means Satyadi Laksham Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, that Brahma Chaitanyam Eva Kosha Upadhi Vakshayam Jivatam Yati. Yata Ishvaratam Yati Tadvat Kosha Upadhi. Here Upadhi is Kosha. Therefore Jivatam Yati. Then why this? He says, because how can that Brahma be Ishvara and at the same time can be a Jiva? The question will come. So, therefore it is, he says, he gives an example. The same person. Yata putra pautra prati pita magakaha. Putram prati pita yati. Pautram prati pita yati. From the standpoint of son, the person is Purushaha pita bhavati. From the standpoint of grandson, pita bhavati. The same person, when he relates to his son, is a father. When he relates to a grandson, grandfather. Similarly, Brahma Chaitanyam gets the status of Ishvara, Ishvaratvam and Jivatvam. Yata putram prati pita yati pitrutvam tadvat Ishvaratvam, and yata pautram prati pita mahatvam yati tadvat Jivatvam eva. Therefore, Brahma eva Ishvaratam yati, Brahma eva Jivatam yati. Maya upadina pratibimba Chaitanyam, that is Brahmanaha Ishvaratvam ayati. Tadvat Panchakosha upadina avidya upadina pratibimba Chaitanyasya Brahmanaha Jivatvam yati. Therefore, these are Mithya Upadhi. Therefore, Upadhi is Mithya. Therefore, what is the reality? Ishvara is Jivaha. Jivaha Brahmanaha na binnaha. Brahmanaha Upadhika Rupam eva Jivaha. Therefore, Maya Shaktehe Upadhitve yata Brahmanaha Ishvaratvam ayati tadvat Maya Shaktehe Upadhitve Brahmanaha Jivatvam pi ayati. That is what the Acharya says here. So for Kosha Upadhi Vivakshayam. Kosha Upadhehe Vivaksha Vaktumicha. Vivaksha. That is Ananta. Therefore Koshopadhehe Vivaksha, Koshopadhi Vivaksha. Now, Tika. Jivatva upadibhutanam koshanam. Because when it comes to Jiva, we have to talk about kosha only. Sharira. Annamaya tarabhya anandamaya kosha paryantam. Yo veda nigitam guhayam parame vyoman. We say, because its koshas are transcended. They are dismissed as mithya. What is in the Hridaya Guha is Brahma. So therefore, Upadhi is kosha. So therefore, koshanam prageva abhigitatvat nimittakam jivatvam idanim aha. So jivatva upadhi bhutanam koshanam, the kosha which is the upadhi, because of which jivatvam is there. Therefore, prageva abhigitatvat, already it is kosha talked about. Jivatvam katam ayati iti aha. How does jivatvam has come? That is idanim aha. Koshopadhi iti. Koshahaya upadhihi karmadarya. Koshopadhi. Koshopadhi vivaksha. Koshopa tat vivakshayam. Paryalochanayam. Paryalochanayam. Kriyamanayam. Paryalochane. Kriyamane. Then Brahma eva. What is Brahma? Satyadi laksham Brahma satyajnana anantam Brahma eva jivatam. Jiva vivahar vishayatam. Gacchati. Ayati gacchati. Yata satyadi Brahma laksham Brahma ishvaratam. Yati. Tadvat. Jagat vyavahar vishayatam yad ayati. Tadvat atra same Brahma jivatam jiva vyavahara vishayatam gacchati ayati. Now the question comes, how can one thing be both? Nanu ekasya eva viruddha dharma dvaya yogitvam yugapatanna vapi dashtacharam iti ashankya pita iti. One is Maya Upadhi Sagita Brahma. Other one is Upadhi Sagita Brahma. The Kosha Upadhi Sagita Brahma. The same Brahma now enjoys different. One is Ishvara, other one is Jiva, enjoys different dharma. Viruddha dharma, in fact, not only different dharma. One is Sarvajñaha, other one is Alpajña. One is Sarvashaktiman, other one is Alpashaktiman. In all ways, it is Alpa, only Jiva. Katam Viruddha dharma Dvaya Yogittam Yugapat Katam Sambhavati iti Drishtacharam iti ashankya. Katam drishtam charam. How is it possible? Copy, drishtacharam. That is for that he gives a drishtanta. Yate ata ekaha eva devadattaha. Only one person devadatta. Ekada eva putram prati pita bhavati. Putram prati pitamaha bhavati. Tadvat evam brahma api kosha upadhi vivakshayam jivaha bhavati. Shakti upadhi vivakshayam ishvarascha bhavati ityartaha. Kosha upadhi vivakshayam from the standpoint of, from the vivaksha of, from the perspective of, from the viewpoint of Kosha Upadhi, the same Brahma Jivaha Bhavati, and Shakti Upadhi is Maya Shakti Upadhi. Ishvaraha Bhavati Ityartaha. Then two more shlokas only in this. I think we will complete the next class and do the summary. Second chapter summary also I have not done. We will do, but you need to remember some thing about second chapter. Then only summary is possible because some gap is there. We'll see. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.
धन्यवाद.
Sushila ji. Yeah, you can ask now. What's the question you said yesterday? I was about to leave, then you asked me. Hello.